And when you dive into the research, it shows there are three components to it. One is the inability to internalize our success, meaning you can't accept or recognize or acknowledge that your success and results were the result of your ability. And the second one is because of that inability to acknowledge your own success, we're very quick to attribute success, any success that we do have, to being the result of luck or chance or mistake, or because people liked us, or that we'd fooled people into believing we were something that we're not. So essentially it's that view that we're not as smart as people think we are. And the third element actually comes back to failure. And what's interesting about this is that while we struggle to recognize that success is the result of our hard work and ability, we are absolutely able to accept and acknowledge failure as being the result of our actions too. So we're the first ones to put our hand up and say, yep, my fault. So somehow we can internalize or acknowledge our failure, but not our success. And I think it's important to make the point too that the imposter complex, it's sometimes a phrase that gets thrown around to describe self-doubt. It's not self-doubt. It's not fear.